Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm reviewing this month's Allure Beauty Box. Here we have the Allure brochure that comes within the Allure Beauty Box. I am loving the cover. Love it. All right, so it says, give me a boost. Yeah, we could all use that. February, yeah, that time of year. Let's see what's in this lovely February box. The first, I'm gonna go just by how the brochure introduces them. The first thing I see in here is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Okay, if you don't know how I feel about exfoliators I approach with a bit of respect and to not overdo it. Exfoliating should be a once a week or once every other week or once a month thing, depending on how on the needs of your skin. It's not something to use every day or every other day or 3 times a week. I don't understand why people feel the need to do it twice or 3 times a week. You do not need to do an exfoliator that many times so soon, simply because even though it says microdermabrasion, you want to be careful because any kind of roughness that you apply to your skin can inadvertently cause little tears in your skin, and you don't want that. So let's see how it comes out. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit right now. Please excuse the this is from a prior video. Yeah, I definitely feel little molecules, like little bits in there. Again, this is something you have to be very careful with and not something that you overuse. Yeah, and it smells a bit minty, which is nice. I get a bit of mint. I'll put, if I can find the ingredients list, I'll post this somewhere here. Can't believe it's like butter. Is that a good or a bad thing? And why does it kind of remind me of Beauty Bakery? This is Topicals Like Butter Hydrating Mask. Why you'll love it. Has ceramide, squalene, shea butter. So it's supposed to make skin real smooth, like butter. But unlike its namesake, the mask melts into skin without any greasiness. It says to apply a thin layer whenever you're looking for a dose of hydration. Leave on for like 20 minutes or overnight when you want more moisture. Okay, so this costs $32. I don't know, wow, $32 for, I never heard of this brand. Like butter. Topicals, hydrating mask, but I will definitely try it. All about the hydration and protection of my skin. The Dr. Brandt thing, I don't know if I made a mention of it, that is $79. Yeah, 79 US dollars. And this, whoa, 79, that's really blowing my mind considering the size. 32. So the box is already well paid for itself already. And again, 2 skincare brands. I shall continue. Ooh, it looks like there might be a little extra special surprise here from Model Co. And this is their metallic eyeshadow trio in Saint Tropez. What? This palette lets you create sexy, bronzy, smoky eyes in less than 2 minutes. And all 3 of the shades inside are gorgeous and easy to wear. The powders blend well without any flakes or fallout, and the color payoff is intense. The price for this is $18 US. What? Okay. So I'm going to show this real quick so you can see what it looks like. Once in a while, like I said, you know, like Allure will come out and put something in there, like an eyeshadow, a little palette eyeshadow trio set, you know. So it's always a pleasant surprise to get one, because normally Allure tends to focus on skin, then followed by hair, then followed by makeup. That's what it looks like. $18, huh? Plastic. And these are the 3 neutral shades. They all look rather shimmery, and they feel very smooth to the touch. Those are the 3, yeah, they're all shimmers. Look at that. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Very pretty. And they feel very smooth. Like I didn't have to like work too hard. I like that. Never heard of the brand. And this is Briogeo, and this is their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This stuff is magic. This and the avocado kiwi hair mask, deep conditioning. Oh, the smell is wonderful. Again, if you're not into any scents, this may not be for you, but Briogeo did come out with a no fragrance line, so please check out Briogeo for more information on that. But oh, the scents that they do have, I love it. They don't offend me, and I can't wait to use this because I'm running low on this. I have to buy a new tub of it. Highly recommend. So they gave a sample size, but the normal size that's like a tub, which you see here, that goes for $38. And this is their Evelyn Rose Velvet Body Melt. So I got a sample of that, I believe. I don't think this is the average normal size of it. The full size is $35 US. 35. So this is a body melt. Cream to oil, melt to reveal, soft to touch. I'm assuming this has a scent. That's what it looks like. It has a lid. Okay. I'm gonna take off some of this on the lid. Oh, it's pretty thick. Almost looks like a butter. See how that's kind of shiny, the way it sits in there? It's pretty potent, the scent. So if you're not into strong fragrances, or if you're not into a rose scent, this may not be for you. But this is what it looks like, you know, on my finger there. Okay. It smells like an antique rose. Wow. It smells nice, but it's also like heavy. So again, if you're not into rose scents or if you're not into any fragrance at all, this may not be for you. It's pretty strong, but I like it. I don't know, lately I've just been into like these old-fashioned scents. I love them. Okay. Rose, vanilla, and lavender. Those are the big three for me. Oh, and speaking of another thing of rose, this is from Heritage Store, and this is their Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. Oh, nice. I don't know if this is sample size or full size. I'm gonna assume this is sample size, but it's great to just throw in your purse or in your travel bag and keep it moving for an overnight. The retail price for the full size is $10.89. Okay. And yeah, Heritage Store Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. So it says you have to mist from 12 inches away. There's the pump. 12 inches. I don't know. We're always terrible at math. So. Well, it does spray a distance. Whew! Yeah, that smells definitely like rose water. So again, if you're not into any kind of scents, this may not be for you. But I think this is like more on the natural side, like the old-fashioned stuff that you would wear before, you know, a lot of chemicals were like thrown in. It says this is for all skin types, vegan and cruelty-free, free of dyes and alcohol. Yay. So I think that's it for my Allure Beauty Box. Yeah, and I think they include the card because they're doing a reader's, they do this every year, a Reader's Choice Award. This is the one for 2022. And it says to head to their website to cast your ballot. So I do cast my ballot in the Allure Beauty Awards. So what do I think? I say I love it. Skincare, hair care, all about it. Love it. I am so happy with everything I got. I find this a little too pricey, but you know, to each his or her own. Skincare at times isn't cheap, but wow, that to me was the big surprise. As an exfoliant, again, that's something that I don't recommend doing every day or every week. less is definitely more when it comes to any kind of exfoliating thing for your face. But that's just me. Maybe you have a differing opinion. Everybody's skin is different. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. Even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.